Hello everyone, welcome to Basic C Programming Tutorials. This is AJ, your tutor for the series, and you're watching Eagle Vision. Alright guys, this is my first ever video tutorial on YouTube and I'm a bit nervous. Without much delay, let's get straight to the topic. For those who are watching this video to learn C programming language and want to build a career out of that, you might possibly have some idea of what you can do with C programming language. And for those who are watching this video to learn C, just to have an idea of what you can do with C language, I'll take you to a brief description of what you can do with C programming language. Okay, C is basically like one of the most ancient programming languages. It has been since the 1980s, if I'm not wrong. I'm not so good at history. Still, today, C programming language is famous and widely used around the world because of its wide variety of applications. Applications like what things you can do with C, what things you can build, what you can develop out of C is what really matters, and that gives why you have to learn C. The first point I would like to mention is the operating systems. You can build operating systems if you learn C. Operating systems that you are using, such as Windows, Unix-based operating systems, such as Linux, all these are written basically in C language. And language compilers and interpreters. For example, if you're familiar with languages such as Java and Python, you would know they have their own compilers and interpreters. For example, the Java virtual machine and the interpreters for Python language are written in C language. And text editors such as Notepad, WordPad, Notepad++, and more of them, they are coded in C. How awesome is that, isn't it? You can make your own text editor more beautiful than Notepad after this whole complete series, and you can give it to Microsoft and earn $1 billion. And desktop applications, the applications what you basically see on a desktop, all these things, the calculator, the math input panel, Notepad, Paint, the run command, sound recorder, all this desktop applications. Not only these, I mean desktop applications, even these desktop applications are written in C. Basically including the softwares that are used to develop desktop applications are written in C in the core. And also for game development, if you want to build a career in game development as a game programmer, you're gonna start with C basically. And network drivers. If you're familiar with computer networking, you might possibly know what is a network interface card, NIC, network interface card. The drivers for those hardware are written in C language. And also for your household equipment, such as refrigerators and washing machines, the microcontrollers used in those equipments are programmed in C. So that might give you a basic idea of what C programming language can do, what you can build out of C programming language, and why should you learn C programming language. So in the next video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can set up your own development environment, what tools to use, what compilers you have to install on your system before writing programs in C language. That's it for today, guys. See you again in the next video. Have a good one.